Okay, so this is how to solve task number 3. And what we can start with is, because we are supposed to find the initial rate of this reaction. So what we can do is try to make a straight line that fits in the initial state. That one, I think it's a fine line. So we just made a straight line from the initial state. And what we can see now is that for this one, we have approximately 11 here. So we can just use this triangle. We go from 0 to 11. So for the x-axis, we know that the gradient are supposed to be the delta y divided by the delta x. And in our case, that will be the change in concentration divided by the change in time. Divided by the change in time. And in our case, the change in concentration will be from 0.20 to 0. So we have 0.20 minus 0. And these are supposed to be divided by the change in time, which will be 11 minus 0. So we have 11 minus 0. And yeah, at this time, actually OneNote calculates automatically. So taking this, so minus a 0 will always just be the same as this number. So 0.2 divided by 11. And we end up at 0.0182. And that is in mole decimeter in minus third and second in minus 1. And this is the answer. So we just make a triangle with a slope that fits for what they're asking, and they're asking for the initial rate. So that will be 0. And we make a triangle and look at the differences, the change. And we use the formula delta y divided by delta x. And this will be the answer we end up with.